Yes guys, right now I'm doing french fried chicken today. So now I'm preparing my flour, so I'm just gonna add my flour so I can flour my chicken before put it in the oil to fry. Yeah, I think this is enough. And I'm going to add some seasoning to this. Yeah, I'm just going to add some all-purpose seasoning to this, and I'm using Maggi season all-purpose. So I'm adding my Maggi season all-purpose to this, and I'm going to mix it up, and then add my chicken to it. So this is my chicken, guys. This was pre-seasoned from last night and left to marinate. So I seasoned this from last night. So I'm gonna mix up this flour and seasoning, and then I put my chicken in before I put it in the pan to fry. Yes guys, so now I've mixed it up. Now I'm going to add a little paprika, because I like when my chicken have a little color. So I'm going to add some paprika to this to color my chicken. Everybody do it different, guys, but this is the way I do it in my kitchen. So mix it around. This is how I fry my chicken. Everybody fry their chicken differently, but this is how I do mine. Yes guys, so I'm going to add a piece of my chicken to this, flour it, and then put it in my frying pan. So guys, you'll see after, you'll see all of this in the next video. Okay guys, so I've added my first few pieces of chicken to the pot. So this is how it looks, guys. So this is 4 pieces, and I have a couple more pieces to go. So when they're finished, I'll show you guys the finished product. And this is how I fry my chicken. Okay, remember, I have other people who do it different, so this is the way I do it. Yes guys, so I just give them a little spin. So there they are. Those black things are the peppers, Szechuan peppers that I put in there. But I just give it a little turn. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more again and then give it a turn again. So as you can see now, the blood and everything is coming up. So you know, yeah, you're good so far. So we just have it at about that heat. The stove is not very high. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it now and let it fry. Alright. Okay guys, I'm about to blend some juice, and I'm gonna use some Jamaican agricultural plum. These are the agricultural ones. The agricultural ones are smaller. So I'm gonna blend these, and then I'm going to add some Grace tropical fruit punch. After I blend these, I'm also going to use a little piece of Jamaican ginger, and I'm going to add this maxi pineapple and ginger in it also. This is very strong. This has a lot of ginger in there. And I'm also going to use some strawberry passion also, just this to give it the color. So I'm going to cut these up, put them in the blender and blend them, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, welcome back guys. So you know, I have the agricultural plum in the blender now, so you know, I'm gonna blend up some juice, and you know, not because of the corona and stuff, you know guys, you know, so we always love to blend on natural juice. So not because of the corona now, you know, we are gonna like start eat healthy and everything there. We used to blend up with natural things, natural juices and stuff. Okay, so let me get this blending and I'll show you the finished product. So here we have the chicken. The guys are turning it again. So like gravy. So then put it. Yeah, and this is also my Jamaican chicken, fried chicken. Yes guys, so a little update on my juice. Yeah, so me just blend it up, so I'm going to strain it now guys. Strain it. And then remember I'm adding my fruit punch juice. This is very nice. So this is Grace Tropical Fruit Punch. Very nice. I'm going to add it to it when I'm finished straining it. Yes guys, so when I'm back now, you're going to see the finished product of it. Yes guys, so here's the juice. Say red guys. We're going to use agricultural Jamaican ginger, the maxi ginger, and the Grace fresh start, and the Grace fresh start strawberry. We give it the color guys. So you know, just bad. Blend it, strain it, add the ginger, add all my flavors. So I'm going to throw it in this bottle now guys. Just rinse it out. And so I'm going to throw it in this bottle and put it in the freezer. Yes guys, so there's my juice. And it tastes nice guys. It has a lot of ginger. You know ginger good for you. So I'm going to strain it out, put it in the freezer and let it cool. So I'm going to take out these guys and yes guys, so remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. These are basically done. I'm going to add the rest of chicken now guys. Here we have the rest of chicken here for fry. That's 4 more pieces. So this is the last of it. So this is fry now guys. And here so now you know I'm gonna make my gravy. So I have my scallion, my onion, tomato, sweet pepper, garlic, and a little bit of thyme. So you know I'm gonna cut up these in the same base so when I season my chicken. My seasoned chicken come from. So I'm gonna cut them up in these guys and make some gravy. So I'll get back to you guys on that process. So guys, here you have it. This is basically it. Just cut them up, add a little oil in the pot, and then just stir it. So we're just going to stir it a bit and then we add some water to it. Yes. So there's the other rest of chicken. Still a fry guys. So just mix this around basically, add some water to it and then put the gravy for the chicken. Yes guys. Yes guys, so this is the finished product of the gravy. Just want to get a little bit thick and then that's it. So this is my chicken, my fried chicken gravy. So guys, here it is, all the finished product now. My fried chicken and my raw vegetable, that is cabbage and carrot, sweet pepper, tomato. So that's my raw veg and my rice and peas and my fried chicken guys. Yes guys, so please remember to like our to subscribe to our channel, like the videos and share. Oh, well.